Straight from the airport?
Yes, straight from the airport. I came from
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
See, tomorrow, Lovers in Paris na. How do you feel that this is your first teleserye ever?
Well, of course, kanina sa ASAP na sinabi ko na ito yung isa sa mga relief goods namin. Because sana maging isa siya sa mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa mga tao sa gitna ng lahat. But of course, I'm personally very excited. It's been 7 months and finally, bukas na.
What do you mean 7 months from the time you went to Paris?
Since the time we started, February.
Oh, grabe na
Where's the way? Where's the way?
There was a month na nag-US Canada concert tour ako.
Ikaw?
Me,
So
with
your
Megan.
mom?
With Megan. And then si PJ also had some staying. So may mga 1 month, 2 months kami hindi nag-taping. And then,
Pero si Sancho naghihintay lang sa akin. Dito lang.
Yes, eh walang tigil ng trabaho talaga.
Oh, yeah.
Parang
Don't you feel so blessed, Zanjo? Di ba? Galing.
God is good, thank you.
Yes, and you're very good now. You've become a very good actor. I mean, how was it working with Casey and DJ at Fiona?
Were they nice naman, dear? Parang na-feel mo na, ano yung term yan?
Threatened.
Third wheel?
After real.
Ay, parang,
Umpisa naman ganun na alam ko.
Third wheel ka na talaga.
ano sa Lufe na, hinahayaan niyo yung dalawang
Mag-usap. Talagang lagi siyang nakatingin sa kamay.
Hindi, pero
Tomorrow,
hindi
wala na.
nangyari. Hindi yung nangyari. Parang start kami mag-taping. Hindi ako na OOP talaga sa kanila. Talagang kami tatlo.
nauuwi ka ba?
Hindi nga.
and then after,
hindi nga.
nauuwi ka na as it progressed. Kasi parang mas naging close sila, kinalimutan ka.
Okay.
Ganun pa rin si Sancho talaga. No? Tahimik.
Sancho, it was his first time to go to Paris. Ano yung most memorable experience mo doon?
Lahat eh. Lahat ng pinuntahan namin. Talagang maganda yung lugar. Tapos, yung experience namin, taping kami doon. Tapos nilibot kami ni Casey kung saan yung mga gandang
Lugar.
Oh.
Libot mo rin kami.
Sige.
Congratulations. It's starting with...
No, and congratulations for sa Kamidora.
Yes.
Wow,
Now a
yes.
certified box.
It's still showing on its fourth week. Yes, maraming salamat po.
Sa lahat ng sumuporta ng Kimidora, salamat. Go ahead.
Super funny daw talaga.
Very nice.
Yes, thank you.
Better watch it ba din?
Ano na kasi ikaw kay Yaya mag-date. You're always making Yaya other people.
Dapat ikaw
Wala
yung
nga akong time, no? Wala na ako. Pero if we watch at 10 in the morning, we can watch.
Kaya sabi nyo, bago nyo,
Not that day.
hindi lang yun.
At 10
Nag-enter
in
ng
the
sine, pero
first
hindi pa bukas.
screening. Oo.
In fairness, all my friends watched 5 times.
Thank you. Actually, some of my friends, they told me na most of them, more than 2, more than 3 times,
Totoo.
pinapanood
It's the
nila.
kind of thing that you watch over and over again. But, Lovers in Paris,
Yes, simula na bukas yung kasama na kami gabi-gabi, of course, with Zanjo, Casey Concepcion, ang Lovers in Paris. Kasama rin namin sila to Christopher De Leon.
Miss Rachel Ann-Wolf,
Solid
Reyes.
PJ and Cassandra.
Christina.
Christina.
is that the way, okay? Okay lang in terms
Malapit na.
Ikaw,
PJ and CJ.
and CJ.
Anong feeling, Casey, pinag-aagawan ka ng dalawang gwapong lalaki? Sa
sanay ka na.
Pareho kami.
Mas pati lang ating tawag mo sa akin.
I asked her before.
Kasi you are just 2. Why are you here? Wag na natin pag-usapan. Okay, pass. Oh, let's move on. Okay, go.
Yun, yeah, masaya naman silang katrabaho. And ito, si Zanjo, tahimik lang, pero...
Nasa loob ng kulo.
He's actually very funny.
Wait, finally, pag-usapan na nga natin yung pabango na yun. Pabango na yun, finally.
Di ba parang he gave like a whole 3 or 5
Frederick
years
Marvin.
supply?
Pag napanood nila yung Lovers in Paris,
Maamoy namin.
Malalaman natin.
Mabango?
Ayun. So, hayaan na natin.
Di alam mo, si Flora Bell ang buet kasi naawa siya sa akin, binigyan din niya ako ng pabango.
Kaibigan ko naman ang Flora Bell, pero hindi pa niya tayo binigyan.
Hindi, pero okay. Sobrang makawang gawa kayo. I know that.
That's
So please, Casey Moose especially, pero ang dami nating mga kailangan like cooked food, packed meals, hard-boiled eggs.
For those who don't know kung ano yung pwedeng i-donate
Right.
sa mga flood typhoon victims, yung pinaka ano po is cooked food, well, ayun, kung meron kayo, kung hindi naman dinahay yung mga kusina ninyo, may packed meals din, cooked eggs, water crackers, biscuits, bread, anything actually,
Water
even
most especially now,
water and
Daboy.
juices. Yung road manager po namin
Okay
and
na.
mga pinsan ko po, they've been stranded sa buong nila at more than 24 hours na po silang hindi kumakain ng all. Kahapon
Pinsan na yan at pamangkin na yan ng megastar at pamangkin na yan ng senadora. So let's just tell everybody kung anong pinipili. Where in what village? Para lang
I'm not sure lang kung anong village, pero
There's an area there kasi talaga na mababa rin.
and then yung isa po sa kanila sa Pasig din. So yung pinaka malala pong mga lugar. Yung trucks and 4x4s
For deployment. Kasi magdadala ng mga
Gin,
goods.
coffee, 3-in-1 or 5-in-1 ata yan. Maraming salamat sa kape. Ateneo Grade School Social Involvement Office. Also accepting donations. Papa People. Ang Max, alam mo, ang bait. They sent kanina. Thank you
Yeah.
very much to them.
500,000.
And I extend
Max
yung
family
pledge daw
maraming
na tuloy-tuloy yung pagpapagawa.
and also
nila.
Century Properties Incorporated.
Century 100,000 pesos. Salamat. Ang
Then,
Century Properties yan. Saan yan? Pangalanan mo.
Sa ating IELTS, Gramercy.
Yes.
Oh, that's my friend. Hi, Antonio. I'd also like to thank Bio. They just gave 300,000 worth
Correct.
of clothes. And
That's pretty.
also L'Oreal for gardening. But L'Oreal
L'Oreal
also gave
claim.
1 million
No,
pesos
L'Oreal.
in cash.
Thank you.
And the program is definitely looking for the best way possible.
Okay, we are coming back and there's more from the three of you, di ba? So pagbabalik lang yan ng The Buzz.
PJ! Christina!
Sanjo!
Sanjo!
Vivian!
Vivian!
Love you!
Fashionista!
Yoya, wala nga pasalamatan.
Darling! Mga alam. Diyan pa rin siya nakatira. Uy! Hindi naman kumapala. Diyan pa rin siya nakatira.
Ang pangit ng pwesto natin. Doon lahat talaga. Sana doon. Kasi akala ko top 10.
Pangat kasi ng araw ngayon. Ayun sa kulit.
Ano?
Bakit may calamity? Kaya ganito. Hindi talaga
Yolo! Love you!